Alright, you're watching this video because you're trying to discover an actual legitimate way to increase the length or maybe even the girth of your dick, right? There's a lot of bullshit out there. There's a lot of forums out there. I've been through all of this shit. I've looked up the scientific methods. I've been on the damn doctor websites where you get to ask them questions and shit, and the majority of them speak against any type of penis enlargement outside of surgery, right? And of course we know the pills and that shit doesn't really work, but there's only two techniques, and one of them, well, there's three. There's the surgery, and then there's these pills you can buy that are pretty fucking expensive and can have damaging effects, and then there's Phalogenics. Now Phalogenics is a natural male enhancement thing that you can do at home, in a couple of minutes every day through a routine, and then you'll see results within around up to 12 weeks. It could take up to 12 weeks depending on how consistent you are with the methods and the routines that they actually give you. So it's really up to you. You know what I mean? Now, if you do this incorrectly, you can hurt yourself. So it's very important that you have an actual instructor that gives you the steps, someone who is pretty much qualified to teach you, not just some random kid in a forum writing down his experiences that aren't even really true. A lot of the times he just wants to get his own attention or to become a celebrity in that forum. So you can't trust that shit a lot of times because it's not been tested. You know what I mean? This method itself, I believe, I know it's over 3,000. It may be close to 3,500 men reportedly gaining actual results from using this technique. So it's a lot different than a lot of shit that you'll be seeing out there. So it's a link below this video. You click that link, it'll take you to a website similar to the one you're looking at. The video should be a little different, but it's going to give you all the details. You'll get to hear from women, their own testimonials. You'll get to hear from people who have actually used this shit and the creator himself. So you'll get to see how it works, what the method is, all that type of shit. The exact size you need to be in order to give women orgasms from sex, as opposed to having to eat them out or finger them forever because, you're not adequate below, and all that type of shit. You'll find out all of that. It's a long, detailed video. It's very informative and eye-opening. Changed my life. So if I was you, click the link below the video, watch this presentation, and you'll see for yourself. It'll blow your mind away. And then it's backed by a money-back guarantee. So if you get the product and it doesn't actually work for you, you get your money back. That's how you know this shit works. They don't do that with extends and all that. I never heard about that with no Viagra shit or none of that other stuff. If this doesn't work for you, you get your money back. It's simple. Alright, so click the link below. Check it out for yourself. Watch the video and you'll see for yourself. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Peace.